So store-bought celery, once you bring it home, once you enjoy most of the stalk of the celery, if you actually keep that base part of the stalk intact and just use most of the stalk, then you can get that to reroot either in a shallow dish of water, or you can even put it directly in a high quality potting soil. And that base of the stalk will grow new roots. Theoretically, fingers crossed, it will grow new roots and the stalks of the celery will begin to regrow. It is really important if you are using soil to try to get your celery stalk to reroot that you keep that soil super moist. And if you are trying to get it to reroot indoors, that you keep your celery near a window that gets a lot of direct sun. So ideally a window that is south facing and one that gets, ideally it would be like 6 to 8 hours of sun per day.